All right, so we're inside the house, the shell of a tortoise. So we're going to take a little tour. Standing in the living room right now. The plan was supposed to be open plan. So this is the living room, and we're going to the kitchen.
Hi everyone, Akwaba, welcome to my channel. So when I posted the first video about the house and how the renovations was going to be, I got this comment about breaking down the house and building a new house. Now, unbeknownst to this commenter, we had actually thought about it, because for a house that has been sitting in this state for about a decade, it is commonplace for us to discuss, should we graze down the house or should we continue? So today we have an expert engineer here. He is a quantity surveyor and a structural engineer. He's going to take a look at the house, especially the water damage, and tell us, should we continue? Is this fixable? Keep watching. Just like a physical pipe that we have to buy and lay it all around the house to suck it out.
A drain. We have a drain over here.
So we have to make a drain.
Yeah, no, there's a drain coming.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. So, Mr. Theo, what do you say? Because Jeff and I were talking about, should we continue trying to fix it or should we break it down? With the amount of cement that has gone inside this house, if we're supposed to buy it, what do you say?
Well, that's why I brought the expertise.
But I feel like, are we putting a bandage on the issue if we continue doing it? Or do we break it? I am watching you. Don't walk too fast. Oop.
A little bit wet, but you can do it.
Okay. All right, we got it. Hi everyone, so we're back here today with renovation update, and today we have structural engineer carpenters here to advise us on what to do. I don't know, why is everything so manual in this country? This week what happened was we asked the guy to weed around the environment around the compound, because we have to make access to come inside the building so we can then close the access by the doors and the windows. So we asked him, now if you look in the back, he says he's done, but he is not done. I thought he was going to use like a machine, but apparently his arms are on the machine, and so he tried to graze it down himself by himself with like cutlasses and hose, and obviously that didn't work very well. So we are calling him in here to try and talk to him, but this is what is waiting for us. Everything is so manual. We're on people's times, and when you tell people what you want, they're not listening and they're just doing whatever it is that they do. But we're here today to check, get proper advice on how to move. So come with us.
The wind, so it allows you to come.
But what about the one on the end?
Which is a filler, I say. Yeah.
Oh, so it pulls over here. Okay. So this is not from the land.
Where they've done the window, you can see there's not. Look, you see that this seems like it gathered the end.
Yeah. Okay. It kind of feels like the foundation is a little higher though, but I could be wrong. Did they lift? They lifted it up. Yeah.
It's okay.
Okay.
Another water damage roof.
Again, this wood, I think we're going to have to take it all out.
We will. Or I love the wood.
It's kind of old technology, isn't it, Jeffrey?
No, it's good.
It's good.
Because our weather is hot.
Okay. Okay, here's a layman question. Do they need the wood to do the POP?
No.
They don't need it. Okay, another thing, these windows, we need to close them.
Why?
Because what purpose are they serving?
It's okay, leave it.
Even these ones too. Because I'm thinking, is it
The hallways, you can leave windows in the hallway.
to leave it alone?
What about the circulation of
So that's what, okay, so I'm saying, wouldn't it make the room too short?
No, it's okay. No, can. Here is the kitchen, eh?
It was supposed to be the kitchen.
Oh, dining.
Yeah, but now we can't be kitchen anymore. We have to move the kitchen to the corner here. I'll show you.
It's wrong.
They did it for kitchen, but I don't think it's going to work. So I think we have to move the kitchen over here. It's huge. It was supposed to be a room.
Yeah, it's a room.
It is originally a room.
So we wanted to use that one for kitchen.
Because Mr. T, I'm thinking about when we finish, which is funny to say right now. When we finish, and in case we want to rent it, if we tell people it's a 6-bedroom, I feel like it will scare people to come and rent it. Than if you tell them it's a 5. But that's just in my mind. I don't know. Jeff,
Yeah.
what do you say?
Oh yeah, we have to turn it for the kitchen. Not to go back to the kitchen. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it will be good for a big kitchen. So whoever is going to rent or whatever, they have to have a big.
It was also made for a kitchen.
It wasn't made for a kitchen.
There's no bathroom. All the other rooms have like. But the water is so working the foundation for us.
Okay.
Let's do the thing. If we get money, let's come and do the thing.
Filling first, right?
Filling first.
Okay.
With the water is standing around it. Very, very bad. If we get money, let's first come and do the thing. So,
Okay, so we have our new plan of action. What we wanted to do, let me set this somewhere. Okay, what we wanted to do was to create access and block access, which was, we were supposed to clear the compound entirely and then put the windows and the doors in so we could block it. But our engineer is telling us that we need to concentrate on the compound first, and then we can work our way inside. So we're changing course of action immediately because he's a professional, so we're just going to listen to him. He did all the budgeting and everything. I will ask him if he wants to put his name and number here in case you guys want to reach out to him. He is a quantity surveyor, so they actually calculate everything that you will need for your house to build it before you build it or whilst you're building or whatever. In our case, we have to renovate it. So he's been doing everything for us and we already got the budget, but now we brought him to really come and tell us the plan of action. So now we're going to get Grables, put it on here, and then we'll work our way inside. Interesting. Our new employees, our new workers are arguing outside about who's going to do what, who's going to get what. but we have more of a directional way to go. If you see in the back over there, just left it so they can have their man talk. But it's so much that I have seen today, so much that we have to do. So check back once a month to see what the update is. I'll make sure I get some good things going there, because I want to, meet that 12 to 15 months timeline as quickly as I can, even though we're moving with just human strength. So we will go as quickly as that can possibly afford us. But yeah, this is today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Subscribe, thumbs up, hit that notification bell, so whenever I upload an update, you will see. I think it will be so good to see it when, it goes from this state to whatever states that we're hoping it will be. So take care, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.